You see, no need to
We've arrived at the pedestrian crossing and an old lady is waiting to cross. What old lady?
Okay na.
Would you mind pretending?
So, yung mga hindi naman nalista, wala na yun ha. I mean, mamaya pa yun ha, ilista. Pag mag-done kayo. Last na lista si Roji. Kailangan mag-out guys. Salamat ng bonggang-bongga. Ayun, thank you very much. Ayan, okay pa tayo sa... hello, mind, body, and meditation. Hi, blessings to all. Ayan, bye Mars and neighbor, Sir Larry. Thank you so much. I have to get back to work. Thank you very much, Sir Larry. Mind and meditation. Good evening po.
Now the road is clear, we can move on.
Oh, here's a traffic light and it's red. What does that mean? Stop.
Correct. When can we go?
Light is green. Very good. When the light turns green.
Thank you for coming. Mind and meditation. I will watch your shirts video. Ay, ganun.
Who knows what we do here?
Drive around it. That's right. So I
Yes, that was interesting.
And I think that's as good a point as any to stop for today.
Thank you so much for the support and thanks for coming. Mind and meditation. I'll connect to you, okay?
You're very welcome.
And I hope you've learned at least one thing about beeping your horns. Don't beep the horn all the time.
That's right. Don't beat the horn all the time.
Good night, then.
We're here.
The parents have arrived.
Sakit na akong kamay. Andar na naman tong ano ko, guys. Hindi na nga ako masyado nagta-type kasi, di ba, hindi na ako sumasali sa mga pa-entry. Mas lalo pa itong sumakit yung aking kamay. Natatawa ako lang. Hindi ko talaga ito tinanggal, oh. Galing pa sa store. Natatawa yung husband ko dito. Baka daw ibalik ko pa to kasi hindi ko tinanggalan ng tag. Happy birthday to you. Ay, may inandam pala ako ng ano dito. Kakanta. Hindi ako nakakanta.
Get wet.
But what if you don't want to get wet?
Go home.
But remember, you are far.
May music ba ako, guys?
An umbrella.
Yes, all right. But sometimes the only thing to keep you warm and dry in the woods is a shelter.
Ooh.
It's like a little house. It'll keep out the rain, and it will keep you warm from the wind. You make a shelter using sticks.
Alangin na
Who wants to try?
ko'y nakahinga dahil sa'yo.
Here are some sticks.
Tadhana mo, di natin pwedeng alamin. Iliwanag ang daan ko sa'yo.
Are you warm and cozy in there, Mr. Pig?
Yes,
I'm back to my little house of sticks.
sa puso
See if
ko,
your little house keeps out the
kung
rain.
ito'y pag-ibig na, takot ay di nadama, ito palagi sa aking tabi, lahat kang harapin, dito ka lang.
Dear, maybe the children should have used bricks.
Di mapigilan ang lungkot na nadarama,
Only sticks.
para bang daong ligaw sa